stating that casinos operated in the state are spoiling Goan youth. President of the Goa Pradesh Congress Committee, Luizinho Filero, said that there is a need to put a stop on the activities going on in casinos.
Addressing media persons at the party head office in Panjim, GPCC President said that though he personally felt that the casinos had to be stopped in Goa, his party's demand was to move the casinos out of River Mandovi.
But what I feel, initially when the casino concept came in the state of Goa, casinos were always meant to be offshore, not in the rivers. Offshore. They are supposed to be out of the rivers. I remember, I understand, and that should be, and that will be the demand of the Congress party. Casinos should be offshore. If at all you want to continue, and if at all you feel that you cannot stop it, as the Chief Minister has said it, because you have given them license. You can always close the license after the expiry of the period. And if you cannot, right now they have no right to function here. They got to be in the ocean. Right now, I feel they have no business to be in the rivers. They have no business to be in River Mandovi. And we have no right to pollute the rivers as we are doing today beyond this pollution level. And that is not what I am saying. That is what Goa Pollution Board has said it. You are taking from one part of the river and putting another part. Already a lot of people told me, Baba, so yeah, I'm getting nakaite. Even it is not sand. People are already told me. For example, Kavilosin villagers came and told me. He's saying, we fought against that Leela casino for 2-3 years and be ready for an agitation if they win, because somebody had put in your papers the sal is there.
Mr. Filero said that he was sad to see that a lot of Goan families were destroyed as a result of the youth visiting the casinos.
There are a lot of young people from Goa who are going to gamble and the families are destroyed. They have sold everything. Why are we doing this? Just because we are getting few crores of rupees revenue. Why do we need it? So I feel personally, I feel that casinos should be stopped because they are creating a hell for our state, and especially for our young people who are going and finishing themselves, ruining their families. And these are the aspects which with this. I don't want to be in big controversy, but this is my personal feeling. If I have made a mistake, I must be magnanimous enough to say I have made a mistake or Congress party has made a mistake.